We are now going to discuss a small topic, that is regelation. Now, regelation means a phenomenon in which ice converts into liquid due to applied pressure and then reconverts into ice once the pressure is removed. So this phenomenon is called as regelation. Now the best example is the ice ball, or what we call it as ice gola, is prepared. Right now, seeing this picture, everyone's mouth must be watering, but we are going to study the process in which this ice balls or ice gola is made. And once we come to know the process, we will be able to understand the principle behind it, the phenomena of regelation which takes place. We will understand that. So what is done while making these ice balls is that the shredded ice is pressurized around a stick. So the person who is making the ice ball, he has a thick slab of ice with him, and he puts the slab onto his machine, the shredding machine, and finally he gets the slab of ice getting converted into very fine shredded form of ice. Then what does he do? He takes a small little wooden stick and then he takes a handful of this shredded ice into his hands, and he then presses it around the stick. He applies pressure on the handful of shredded ice which he has taken. Now once he applies pressure, you find that the all the fine shredded particles of ice get together and they form a bunch out of it. They all get together and a ice ball is formed from it. So what is the phenomenon? What happens at that particular point when he is applying pressure? So pressure lowers the melting point of ice below 0 degrees Celsius, causing it to melt. We know that the melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius, but due to the applied pressure, the pressure increased, and due to increase in the pressure, the melting point of ice goes below 0. Below 0 means it goes below 0, that is minus, somewhere in minus degree Celsius it is going to go. So its melting point is going to lower, and due to the lowering of the melting point, the ice gets converted into liquid, that is water, and this merges the shredded ice into one. So the moment he applies pressure to the various points, it so happens that the melting point decreases and the ice gets converted into water, and the particles, they fuse with one another. But the moment he releases pressure, the melting point is restored back to 0 and again it gets converted into ice. So on removing pressure, freezing point is restored to 0 degree Celsius and the pieces refreeze to form the solid ice ball. So this is what is regelation. Once again, quickly we will recapitulate the important points. That is the phenomenon in which ice converts into liquid, that is water, due to applied pressure, and then reconverts into ice once the pressure is removed, is called as regelation. So when you apply pressure, that is when pressure is increased over ice, its melting point is lowered below 0 degrees Celsius, and so it gets converted into liquid. But when the pressure is released, the melting point is again restored back to 0 and it refreezes to form ice. Now the same we are going to study with the help of a activity which you all will also be able to perform at your home.